Excuse me. What kind of fish? What kind of fish?
Tilapia.
Do you have a goldfish? Goldfish.
Sana.
What? English?
Goldfish.
Yes, yes. Do you have? It's okay. It's
Ulam.
in what kind of
Ay.
aquarium? Yes. But you don't have a goldfish. Why? Is it okay to it's this one? The
No. It's dead.
why? It's okay. It's the pet. Why?
Madede. Ulam is, ulam.
What?
Ah, nakakain.
What? What? Eat. This one.
Oo.
Ah,
Cook.
cook. Not for
Not,
pet.
not pet.
Ah, ah,
Goldfish is ano? Sa pet shop.
pet shop only.
Along the Binyan.
Okay.
Olivares, meron.
What?
Olivares,
Olivares.
Binyan.
How can I get there?
Straight,
Straight then. How can I turn? Turn. No turn?
no. Kasi, hindi mo yung mga ano, yung tricycle.
What? What?
Dire-direct ka, straight.
Straight. No turn?
No, turn to right.
Right? What?
Right, right.
Right. I can turn right.
Oo. And then, straight.
Straight. What's your name? Din. I'm Korean. Koreano. Koreano. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Nagagawa niyo? Wala. Wala, wala. Okay lang, mablog. Okay lang. Okay lang, mablog. Wala. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.